Nissan is a company known for making the most of its existing models, always leveraging its current designs and platforms with a pragmatic approach. Welcome to World Car DK, your ultimate destination for latest worldwide car reviews. Like, share, subscribe us. One of the most notable examples of this is the Nissan Frontier, which shares a robust connection with the now discontinued Xterra. In fact, the frame and parts of the Frontier could easily be adapted for a new Xterra, especially considering that Nissan still produces a frame for both the 2025 Frontier and the larger Titan, even though the Titan is expected to be discontinued soon. Both the Frontier and Titan are manufactured at Nissan's Canton, Mississippi plant, which would be an ideal location for assembling a revived Xterra. This provides a glimmer of hope for fans of the rugged SUV. Even though there has been no official confirmation about its return, the off-road SUV market is becoming increasingly competitive, with formidable rivals such as the Ford Bronco and Toyota's revived Land Cruiser posing a challenge to the long-dominant Jeep Wrangler. Additionally, Toyota is preparing to release a new 4Runner, further intensifying the competition in this space. Yet, there remains a noticeable gap in the market for a vehicle that blends rugged off-road capability with a distinct personality. This gap is particularly evident when considering the absence of the Toyota FJ Cruiser, a model that was discontinued but left a loyal fan base yearning for something similar. In response to this void, Toyota is attempting to fill the gap left by the FJ Cruiser's departure with the new 2025 Land Cruiser and the upcoming 4Runner. This begs the question, what if Nissan were to revive the Xterra today? While there has been no official word from Nissan about bringing the Xterra back, there is plenty of speculation and excitement surrounding the possibility. The updated Frontier pickup, which bears a striking resemblance to the original Xterra, could be a key indicator of what the next generation Xterra might look like. The Frontier's success, combined with its off-road capabilities, could serve as a strong foundation for reviving the Xterra in a way that honors its rugged heritage while embracing modern innovations. If Nissan were to reintroduce the Xterra, the vehicle would likely be built with a more powerful and efficient drivetrain. The final Xterra model was equipped with a 4.0-liter V6 engine, which now feels outdated compared to today's standards. Instead, a revived Xterra would almost certainly be powered by the 3.8-liter V6 engine from the 2022 Frontier, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This combination would not only offer improved performance but also enhance fuel efficiency and overall drivability. For those who crave the ultimate off-road experience, a Pro 4X trim would be an essential offering, providing the best off-road capabilities that the Xterra would need to compete with rivals like the Bronco, Wrangler, and Land Cruiser. The Pro 4X trim would feature the same rugged off-road attributes found in the current Frontier, ensuring that the Xterra remains a top choice for enthusiasts who prioritize durability and performance on challenging terrains. Beyond its performance capabilities, the interior of the new Xterra would also stand out, drawing inspiration from the updated Frontier's cabin design. With an emphasis on comfort, modern technology, and off-road functionality, the Xterra's interior could be a significant upgrade compared to its predecessors while still maintaining a utilitarian, tough aesthetic that pays homage to the original model. In terms of design, a concept artist, Abimelech Arellano, envisioned a look that incorporates elements of the original Xterra but with a modern twist. The design would retain the raw, utilitarian appearance of the Frontier, complete with the signature tailgate bulge and a built-in roof rack, which was a hallmark of the original Xterra. This bulge, far from being a gimmick or design faux pas, originally housed a first aid kit in earlier models, providing a practical touch that would be a nostalgic yet functional feature in a modern revival. The stepped roof design of the original Xterra would also make a return, adding a distinctive silhouette that would immediately set the Xterra apart from its competitors in the off-road SUV segment. Ultimately, a new Nissan Xterra could be an exciting and welcome addition to the off-road SUV market, offering a fresh alternative to the dominant players like the Ford Bronco, Jeep Wrangler, and upcoming Toyota models. Its combination of rugged off-road capability, distinctive design, and modern technology could cater to a market that is always on the lookout for something unique and adventurous. In a time when the demand for off-road vehicles is high, Nissan's Xterra could potentially carve out its own niche, appealing to both loyal fans and a new generation of off-road enthusiasts. While no official announcements have been made, the idea of reviving the Xterra is certainly tantalizing, and the concept of what it could look like today is enough to spark the imagination of off-road enthusiasts everywhere.